Hakawai ke jingja kebala pensuje reka than nongpo barok kawai hakawai ke kentai kebelang khat kendai snem karta kala sya penyap halau jong ulok uba kadangnya jong dang tang kumasan benai kebala poi hadu uput jong jingya penyap tang nakadau jong jingya nia silok kani ke jingja kala jaha ke arpo hundru terik unai luar arjar arpuar hak senong paham sim hanongpo hari boh distrik kebelang hap hapo ke nongpo police station ya kemen jong ne kentai lalap harut jong surok senong paham sim hak bagi biru senong mar kila pentip syaki bor senong bat kum juru syaki bor pulit ke nongpo police station ki bor pulit kila ong banak menta ke jing penian syakmat ya ke jing tokit lahap ban buri ino sywa ya ke kerteng jong tiu nong peniap breu bat kum juru ya ke te ke balasya peniap Henry kumalala ban lum jing tip utai bo peniap umdei na kejai penreu kasih Habayo penyekran badu Superintendent of Police Karibhoa District Usri Giri Prasad ulong bahadin Melayu ekjing tip halor kete jinja nagliang jong ki bor pulit wood kila lech kete jaka badlap ya kemendiap jong kete kenthai ke blatia aleng ketar harut jong surok senong badda kejingirap jong ki pajba ki pulit kelayo penkem yau te runar badladep ban register case halor kete kam ong Superintendent of Police Karibhoa District
oi ane ban rum sudan ne sa lakum setak hane pun hing dorbar hane kemak hane
Around 11:45 a.m. today, Nongpo Police Station received information from the headman of Wamsiam, Nongpo, that one dead body of a female is lying around in the road. So as per information, our staff along with officers immediately rushed to the point, and then after preliminary inquiry, we learned that one girl of 19 years old age has been found murdered by a person who has been living or in relationship for almost 5 months with her. So after the inquiry, the Nongpo police also managed to apprehend him in the Nongpo police station itself, and a case is being registered in this connection, and further investigation is on. So in this regard, I would also like to suggest that the police department is taking all necessary actions to ensure that crime against women and children are reduced, and also we would directly like to say that we are collaborating with the local village authorities also in this connection.